Polygonians, what's good? What's good? Kind of makes me want to cry how long we've waited for these days for our friend Matic. But the strong and the true Polygonians are dancing and partying in the streets. Guys, we're at $1.83. We're up almost 9% on the day. Can you believe it? Oh my God, it's amazing, guys. We're currently sitting at market cap of 12.15 billion. And the 24-hour volume is 1.78 billion. Really exciting times for all of us Matic holders. And shout out to everyone that went through all the difficult months where Polygon really wasn't moving. All right, guys. So we're going to hop straight into the analysis here. And we're going to start on the 4-hour time frame. So we've come all the way up to $1.81. Excuse me, guys. I've been drinking some Jamaican ginger beer. Oh, it's not going to focus. And it's just giving me a little bit of the burps here. But that's really not important. So we came all the way up to our target from our falling wedge. It was beautifully met. So if you held the trade from the breakout, if you're an absolute beast, then that was a trade of 57%. Personally, I'm taking profits all the way along because I'm trading with leverage. So I'm taking profits, I'm re-entering, taking profits, re-entering, taking profits, just to capitalize on my gains. Anyways, guys, it's not about me, it's about Polygon. So we've currently come up to $1.81. We're hitting a little bit of resistance, which is to be expected here. If we pop over to the daily chart, guys, you can see here we beautifully bounced off the golden ratio, which is a really strong sign of continuation, that we're going to come up and break $1.98 and head all the way up. What the hell is this? To the previous all-time high, which is sitting at about, my Fibonacci got knocked off a little bit here. My apologies, guys. How absolutely unprofessional. Which is all the way up here at about 294 for Matic. Now, there's our much larger pattern here. We had our inverse head and shoulders. That target was met beautifully, guys. So that was a juicy trade of 28% for Matic. And if we come over, we can see our much larger cup and handle, and we're just breaking the neckline, which is incredible, guys. That's a juicy trade opportunity here of 62% for Matic. I just posted it in the Discord along with many other coins. I posted Atom just as it was breaking out, and now it's absolutely exploded. I believe I posted it yesterday when it was just breaking the neckline here. Let me quickly pop open Atom here. You can see here it's absolutely exploded. I had just popped it open into the Discord when it was breaking out, and currently it's now up 13%. I might make a video on Atom today. It's a strong project and it's absolutely exploding right now. So anyways, guys, let's hop back into Matic. So your target from our cup and handle here is up at 273, very close to the all-time high, which is sitting at about 294 for Matic. We come up, we break our all-time high, we head up to the 1.272 at 447. Now, I did a poll yesterday. I'll pull that up. I did a poll here on my channel, Invest and Trade with Jax, to ask people what they thought their bull run price target was for Matic. And if I come over to my community page, so we have 1,200 votes. Thanks for voting, guys. Shout out to you. Really appreciate it. 43% of you think we're going to land in between $4 to $5 by the end of the bull run. And then 31% say $10 plus. So the majority are quite conservative here, because if we look at Matic, currently we're still in October, guys. We haven't even passed Halloween. We haven't even gone trick-or-treating yet, although we're trick-or-treating in the cryptocurrency world, that's for sure. And I think easily in the month of November here, let me get the right chart. In the month of November, we'll easily make it up to 447. And I think in the months of November and December, we could easily make it up to the 1.414 at 557. And make it up to the 1.618, which is at about 763. I think 763 is very possible by the end of the bull run, and we might see more, guys. We might even go higher, but I think the 1.618 extension is a great target in my opinion here at $7.63. So let's pop over to Ethereum, guys. So we're actually rolled over a little bit with Ethereum. You're going to see this time and time again. Ethereum and Bitcoin are going to go through small corrections, and altcoins are going to absolutely fly off the hinges. As you can see here, the alts are just exploding today. Atom up 13, Shiba 11%. We have Matic 8%, Cody. We'll get into that later, guys. Phantom 7%. I've been making so much money off Phantom. It's crazy. But when you see Ethereum and Bitcoin especially go through small corrections here, what you're going to see is you can come look at the Bitcoin dominance, and when the Bitcoin dominance is falling, the money is pouring into the alts, and the alts are exploding. So Bitcoin's selling off a little bit, more money is going into altcoins, and altcoins start to absolutely take off. I almost predicted this perfectly. I said the Bitcoin dominance, in my opinion, is going to come up to this neckline, get rejected, and we're going to see alts absolutely soar, but it got rejected by this previous swing high here, and now we're seeing alts absolutely soar. We actually got rejected here on the daily by the 200 EMA, this red line here. So let's finish off the video here for Matic. So we may hit a little bit of resistance here at 181. So I'm going to drop in this previous swing high just in case we were to roll over. We do have resistance here, could be flipped as support. Now if Matic just absolutely pushes through $1.81, basically your next target is $1.98, and then we have this bull flag here at 206. We have that larger cup and handle at 273, and your all-time high for Matic coming in at about 291. So it's really exciting times for Matic. Let's see here if we have any bearish divergences. We're looking good on the 4-hour. We are overbought, guys, but this is the middle of the bull cycle, and we're going to stay overbought in many cases for many coins. All right, guys. On the hourly, we may have a little bit of a bearish. Let's see here. Let's open up our RSI. See if we have a little bit of a bearish divergence creating higher highs. Yeah, we do here on the hourly, guys. See this? Creating lower highs on the RSI, higher highs on the price. So we may see a little bit of pullback. So do watch $1.70. However, you can just watch the EMAs as well as the hourly, and especially the EMAs on the 4-hour chart. If we do see some rollover here, watch the 20 EMA to creep up, and we may bounce from that level. As you can see here, overextended bounce, overextended bounce, overextended bounce, perfectly off the 20 EMA. Exciting times in the market. We're soon going to be in price discovery for Matic. My favorite time to be a crypto trader and investor, and to be making these videos for you guys. So I hope it brought you some value. If it did, smash that like button. Big shout out to the Discord. Over 1,000 members. We're having a lot of people sign up right now, getting this juicy information. We're posting chart patterns, analytics, incredible way to stay ahead of the game as a trader, as an investor, and to talk all things crypto. It's the price of a coffee, guys. You can follow me on Instagram. Check out crypto.com. See you in the next one. Peace. Much love.